Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to discuss a really neat feature or hack, if you will, that I discovered in regards to the Penfriend 3 audio labeling system for the blind. So it's regarding the labels themselves. So when you go to record a label, usually you do something like this. You turn on your Penfriend and you hold down your record button and you record your label like so, whether that's a grocery list or or a medication or food or what have you, and then you stop your recording. Well, what if I said that you could do more than just speak into this thing? What if I said that you could have that label set so that you could set up the label in such a way so that when you go to play back your label, it plays music? Well, it's possible. And what I just did by recording that is the beginning of this process. So you can say whatever you want to say, gibberish or just sound spot or label or whatever. And then the rest is done using a computer, using a a mini USB A cable, or just mini USB to USB A, I don't know. But anyway, use one of those. One end's plugged into the Penfriend, the other end goes into your computer. And now we will jump into a screen share. We'll jump into our screen recording so I can show you how it works, what we're supposed to do next.
You have started screen share. Press F6.
So first things first, we're going to hook up our Penfriend to the computer. And now I'm going to open this media player app called Foobar 2000, FOOBAR 2000.
Folder view list opacity 7 of 9.
So we're on the desktop.
FW Form W Foobar 2019 of 19.
I'm going to select the media player.
Foobar 2000 V2.0 dialog. Playlist list.
Your playlist thing might look different, assuming you're using this app, you've been using it already.
Toolbar, File Alt plus F.
So what I just did was I just pressed the Alt key and brought up the file menu. We're going to down arrow until we go to add folder.
F context menu. Open control open audio add files F add folder D. Select folder.
And from here, we're brought up to a file explorer type of a
Items
layout.
view add for not selected 1 of 4.
And since I've already done this already, I'm already in the Penfriend folder. Then
Tree view Penfriend 3D expanded 1 of 1 level.
basically you're looking for a device called Penfriend 3.
Level 2 Penfriend, level 1 Penfriend 3D, level 2 S, level 1 this PC expand.
So you would find that under this PC.
Level 2 for 1 level 1 Penfriend 3D, expanded 1 of 1.
And then once you do that, you could select here.
Items view list add for not selected 1 of 4.
And you can use either the list view or that other
Tree
view
view.
here.
Level 2 for 1 of 1 MP3 REC collapsed 1 of 1 level 2.
Get to your folders. So I'm going to press enter on this folder, REC or rec.
Items, named folder, edit selected REC.
And I'm going to press enter to have it added to my to the media player.
Processing files dialog D, rec, abort button. Foobar 2000 V2.0, toolbar, file alt plus F.
Okay. I'm going to escape out of this.
Dialog, playlist list, rec 20.
Now what we're going to do next is I'm going to play one file at a time, so to speak. I'm going to basically keep pressing the down arrow and then enter. So I'm going to preview each file, so to speak, until I find the file that I want to overwrite with music.
Rec
Power.
Rec.
Record.
Rec.
Volume.
Rec.
Mode.
20.
Saving
Rec.
your download.
Rec.
Batteries.
Rec.
Keep track of the items.
Rec.
Label your food.
Rec.
It's good to know they
Rec.
keep a sound.
Rec.
Penfriend can
Rec.
read it. You can even record your.
Rec.
Never play the wrong.
Rec.
Your Penfriend. Record a letter for someone.
Rec.
Keep track of all
Rec.
your Penfriend.
Rec.
Use the law.
Rec.
Fingerprint.
Rec.
You can also.
Rec.
It is vital.
Sound spot
Rec.
and you record your label like so.
Tool stop
So
S.
that-
Zoom R2.
and that's my tutorial recording I just did earlier. That's the one I want to take. That's the one I want to use. So I'm gonna right click, or for screen reader users, we're gonna shift F10 or hit the applications key to bring up the context menu.
Context menu.
And we want to open the source folder. We want it to highlight that file.
Play, remove, crop, sort, cut, copy, control, and to playback. Open containing folder F.
Open containing folder.
Zoom
So
R2000.
hit enter on
Rec
that.
20,528. Items new list. Rec 20,544 of 6.
Now, make sure during these next steps, we want to keep this window open. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to hit F2.
Rec 20,540. Edit selected. Rec 20,540.
And we're going to copy this to the clipboard. Just going to do Control C and escape out of this.
Rec 20,544 of 6.
And now we're going to go back to our desktop, and I'm going to open Audacity.
Folder view. Audacity. Audacity. Track view table.
And I'm going to find the file
Select.
that I want to put on the on that label recording.
Folder view list. Folder view.
And for this demo, I'm just going to pick this 30-second recording.
Boogie Woogie Time best. Best Boogie Woogie Time preview. Best modified. 4/30/2. Boogie Woogie Time preview. Track view table.
And for this demo, I'm not going to play it just yet. We're going to let the Penfriend do the playback. I'm going to export this file. Control Shift E to do that.
Export audio.
Now, make certain that in the file type area, we want it to be set to WAV Microsoft,
Same as type. Combo box WAV Microsoft collapse Alt plus D.
which it is set to that already.
File name. Folder view. Transcription not selected 1 of 2.
And for convenience, I'm going to save it to the desktop, which I guess it's already there.
File name.
I'm
Combo.
going to go back into that file name box, and I'm going to do a Control V to paste.
Selection removed. 0 blank. Edit metadata tags dialog. Use arrow keys or enter key after editing to nav. Boogie Woogie Time preview. Track view table. 1 Boogie Woogie Time.
All right, close this window,
Same chain.
go back to our desktop,
Folder view list.
and we're going to find our file,
Rec 31,050 Rec 20,542 of 20.
and we're going to do this. We're going to do Control X. So that's the command for cut.
Rec
We're going to
20,500.
go
Rec 20.
back to the window that I suggested you keep open, and we're going to do Control V to paste.
Replace or skip files. Moving one item from desktop to Rec 20,000.
And we want to replace the file, and I believe it's already highlighted on that.
Skip. Replace the file in the destination button.
We're going to hit enter,
Pause the operation checkbox not checked. Read only. Unavailable. Rec 20.
and it has been copied over to the Penfriend.
You have started screen share.
So I just shut off our screen share session, and here is the final outcome. I'm gonna just unplug this from the computer and excuse the text tone, because somebody's deciding to text me while I'm doing this tutorial. So anyway, so next we're going to turn on the Penfriend, and I'm going to now hover the pen over the label like we did before. And what do you know? We now have music. And that, folks, is how you add music to your labels. This is an alternative to the label manager software. It's a lot more accessible. And anyway, I hope you found that tutorial helpful. That is it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.